welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. It's sunny, but it's rainy, but the weather is so good. Guys, today's video I just wanted to give you a little bit of update of my little garden here. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and join the Umoto Lifestyle. Guys, welcome for the OG. I love you so much. Keep sharing and keep commenting guys. We're here to grow together. Without further ado, let me give you an update. Oh well guys, look, it has been raining like crazy. You can see my grass is wet. Everything is so wet. This week has been crazy raining. So you can see my pears. Guys, the pears are doing so well. You can see the leaves. Oh my goodness, you can see some small pears here. Let me focus. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look. This is the stage where they are. There's a little balls of pears. And actually they are doing so well. And the weather, I think they're loving this weather. And you can see my neighbor's pears. They're coming as well. Look, those are some little pears. I'm going to be showing you when they grow. But so far, this is how we are doing. So today's video, actually I wanted to update you about my little garden. As you can see, the little garden is here. Haha. So remember guys, we planted spinach here. We planted kales, carrots, parsley. All of them are here. This is 2 weeks. You can see what 2 weeks is doing. Guys, you can see something is coming up. Look. I'll be updating you guys all the time so that we go together and actually see how this garden is doing. So this is parsley over here, this line. You can see it's coming up little by little. It's coming up, guys. Very soon. It's a little bit too much rain, but that's okay. Look what's happening here. Look. These are our spinach. You can tell spinach actually it's coming up so well. All this line here is spinach and it's coming up. And this line here is carrots. I see something coming up as well. And we have our parsley right here. Oh no, this is our cucumber right here. Look, it's coming up. So let's see, maybe 2 weeks. I'm gonna give you another update. So far our spring onions are doing so well. So this is the progress so far for our little garden. And I'll be coming here all the time so that you guys can be, updated how we plant here in the US. Even if you have a little garden, how you can plant something of your own. And as much as I love organic, guys, it's so pricey when you go in the stores. For example, to buy these spring onions, they're very pricey. I prefer planting mine, even if it's a little, for myself and my family, so that we can enjoy. So if I can grow a little bit of kales, 2 or 3 trees of kales here, that's enough for me and my family. If I can have a little bit of kales, I can have a little bit of carrots here, cucumber, parsley, a little bit of tomato, but I don't like growing tomato because tomatoes are a lot of work. Okay, as I was saying, I don't like really growing tomatoes because I feel like tomatoes have a lot of work. You have to really keep up with tomatoes. That's why I stay away from growing tomatoes. But if I can grow kales, a little bit of kales, 1 or 2 trees here, at least that will help me. The only thing that I buy is tomatoes because I don't want to grow it. Has too much responsibility. But again, I wanted to give you a little update of our garden. So far it's doing so well. And the spring onions, they're helping me each and every day, guys. I tell you, we are using these spring onions. I can't wait for my kales to come up right here so that I can, I can mix with kales and spinach. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to start cooking outside again. This week has been a week of rain. It's been raining a lot, but we thank God that we are alive. We thank God that we are breathing, and we thank God that we can vlog for you. But the good thing is, like, my parents are doing so much well. They're doing so much better. I can see, guys, lots of pairs coming up. Oh my goodness, look at that. I can see this, lots of pairs coming up here. So very soon, as from June, actually, we start eating the first pairs from here. Guys, aren't you excited? Aren't you most welcome, because we have 2 trees of pears, so I cannot finish by myself. I usually share with my friends and my family members and anybody who comes to visit me. Guys, it's cold. So, but the weather, the sun is coming up. As you can see, the sun is shining on my face, and I love that. And the grass, you guys, it's wet, but thankfully I have my swing set here, where I usually come and chill and think about life, think about Umoto Lifestyle, think about my friends, think about the fans who watch my content. I come here and swing, and then think about you, and thank myself, and thank God for giving me life. Guys, aren't you not happy for being alive? I don't know how many times you pray, guys. Be honest. Do you even pray? Yes, I do pray, but I don't pray all the time. But I ask God to help me to start praying actually each and every day. I wake up or I go to bed. I want to thank my God for the life that God has given me. When I think about my life, and when I think about where I have come from to this point, even being here, it's just God. People may have stories, may have the past. People don't like sharing their past, and that's okay. But if each and everybody can open up and share their past, actually you'll be surprised. And it's okay if people share. If they don't share, that's okay. But all we wish is for every human being who is breathing. We wish each and everybody of us a happy life. And for those ones who are not feeling well, be either body-wise or mental or anything, we ask that God may be in your life, and God help you whatever you have, whatever difficulties that you may pass through. People think that people just leave. Each and everybody has something, has some kind of a mental illness or whatever, depression, anxiety. Everybody is going through something, but it's because people are not opening up. You can see me smiling, but you don't know what's boiling inside my heart. That's why I say if people can open up, you'll be shocked. So for those ones who open up and you feel like you're alone, no, you're not alone. There's so many people who are going through something. Guys, I'm here swinging with my pairs. Look at that. There's a bird that came here, came to say hello to me. But I'm saying hello back. So yeah, I like chilling here. Just talking, guys. If you want to ask me any question, you want to talk to me, you want to ask me anything about US, Africa, where I come from. I'm a village girl, by the way. Most people don't know that I'm a village girl. I am a village girl. I grew up in the village. One of these days, I'll take you back to my village so that at least you can know where Umoto Lifestyle comes from, where Umoto Lifestyle grew up, where did I go to school. Y'all can see my lifestyle. So whenever you see Umoto Lifestyle has gone through the past. And but I'm here smiling. Why are you not smiling? Even Umoto Lifestyle can smile. Why are you not smiling? Smile. I'm here to cheer you each and every day, to kind of give you motivation. If you wake up, you feel like you're not feeling it today, just force yourself. Ask your God to help you so that you can feel better. And we wish each and everybody well. Wish your neighbors well. Wish your family members well. Your friends, your co-workers. We are human beings. We need to wish each other well. When you see someone or your friend or your co-worker smiling, and you smile as well, we keep pushing, because you don't know the future. We have no power to know the future. Only God knows our future. And that's my goal. It's like each every day that I wake up, I need to be happy than yesterday. Okay? I force myself to be happy. So when I see people maybe fighting on social media, internet, and people wishing each other bad, or maybe when you see somebody succeeding and then you feel bad, you see somebody having a certain career, then you feel bad, you feel jealousy, jealous is not gonna take us anywhere. Okay, we better wish each and everybody a happy life, guys. The sun is coming from there. You can see the sun right on my head, and I love it so much. So, yeah, guys, today really I wanted to come here and say thank you so much for everybody who has been in my channel. Thank you everybody for always your sweet comments. I do read comments, and thank you so much for wishing me well and for loving me who I am, for appreciating my channel and the nice comments, and for even sharing my videos. So many of you guys have shared my videos. I really appreciate so much. I don't know, I thank you so much. I thank you so much. I know I may not know you physically, but through your comments and your sharing, I know you, and through your watching, I know that you are watching. Whenever I get time, I have to update you guys. If you have any questions, as I told you before, go ahead and ask me questions and let me know what kind of content you want Umoto Lifestyle to create for you. I have so many contents that I create on my channel, guys. As you know, I do vlogs. I do travel a lot. I love traveling a lot. I love showing you different places here in the U.S., different cities. You know, U.S. is huge. So even I can be here as a vessel to show you some of the places in the U.S. I'll be so happy to do that, and that's what I do in my channel. And I show you some restaurants, good food that people eat here. Being a village girl, I love to explore. Getting an opportunity to come here, I just want to explore. I want to explore America, all America, and even outside America. Okay, I love traveling. So if I can be an opportunity for you guys, and in my channel, I do love cooking. You know, authentic food. You know, I love cooking mostly. I try to go to these African stores here that we have. I have done a couple of videos about the African stores here. So if you have not watched them, you're more than welcome to scroll on my channel and then check them out. I love to go there and try to find my kind of food, my village food. Sometimes I find, sometimes I don't. So whenever I find, I love cooking. And I love cooking American food as well. You know, I love cooking outdoor, even though I have all these electric stoves and stuff. But I love cooking outside as well for fun. Okay. I love cooking for fun. And also I love beauty. I love beauty. Beauty is the thing that I love as well. I love doing hair. I love facial beauty, inner beauty, all kinds of beauty in me. I do love talk about the beauty in me. You can scroll on my channel so that you can see some of the videos that I've done about beauty. Okay, and I'm going to be continuing doing that here in my channel. Okay, I do share a lot of memories here in my channel. That's why most of my videos is about my lifestyle here in the US. So that's why I call my channel Umoto Lifestyle. What I do here daily, on a weekly basis, on a monthly, whenever I travel, I take you anywhere. So you wanna have fun. It's a channel of fun. We're having fun here. Okay? Positive vibes only in my channel. Guys, let me leave you alone. Let me enjoy here, sitting here admiring my pears up here and the airplane, admiring my pears right here. So guys, if you want to join my channel, go ahead, you're more than welcome. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, tell them about Umoto Lifestyle, and guys, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.